Next we have rate of change of velocity. Okay, so rate of change of velocity, what is it? Okay, rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Rate of change of velocity we call it acceleration. So acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. What does it mean? Let me explain. Let's say you have a vehicle, you have a bike. No, let's say you have a vehicle. Okay, you are a truck driver. Okay, let's say you started driving. Now, while driving, let's say you are driving at 40 kilometer per hour, and when you reach here, you reach here. Still, the speed is 40 kilometer per hour. You are not changing a distance. You are not changing your speed. Speed is same. So, is the speed changing? No. So, is there acceleration? Acceleration is zero. Acceleration is zero. No change in acceleration. But let's say you are driving at 40 kilometer per hour, and after you are increasing a speed, you are pressing the accelerator, and your speed reaches. Okay, you are driving like this, 40 kilometer per hour, which is very slow. Or let's say you are driving at 20 kilometer per hour. It will be easy. Let's say you are driving at 20 kilometer per hour. Suddenly you saw a very beautiful one nearby you. Okay, a beautiful, very happy, beautiful one nearby you. Then you increase your speed. Speed increases. Then your speed reaches to 80 kilometer per hour. Let's say now speed changes, right, from 20 to 80. Is there acceleration? Yes, there is acceleration. Now let's come again. Let's say you are driving at 80 kilometer per hour now. What is your speed? 80 kilometer per hour. You saw police coming. And suddenly you reduce your speed to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, now what happens? Speed changes. Yes, from 80 to 40. Here it was increasing, here it was increasing, here it is decreasing. Increasing is called acceleration or positive acceleration. This decreasing is called negative acceleration or deceleration also, or negative acceleration. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Let me explain you further. Also we can write down acceleration. Let's say you are traveling. Okay, like here the example, this 20 kilometer per hour. Let's say you are driving with a speed. Okay, let me now let me not say 40 kilometer per hour. Now let me say u. Okay, u kilometer per hour. I don't know what is u, and let's say this is v kilometer per hour. This is u is called initial velocity. Initial speed, initial velocity. V is final velocity. You are traveling at a speed of u kilometer per hour, and you reaches at speed of v kilometer per hour. Okay, from u you reaches to v kilometer per hour. Okay, and from here to here, from u kilometer per hour to v kilometer per hour, let's say it took time t second. Okay, so what will be your acceleration? Acceleration will be equal to final velocity minus initial velocity Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, taken. Or we can write on final velocity is v, initial is u, time is t, acceleration is a. So this is very important formula you need to keep in your mind. Okay.